You may be trying to call the emergency services, but you're unable to talk because you're in danger and you don't want to make a noise or in certain medical conditions. You can still get help by making a silent call from your mobile, dialing 999 or 112 from your mobile phone, and if you don't speak or answer questions, press 55 when prompted and your call will be transferred to the police. Pressing 55 only works on mobiles and doesn't allow the police to track your location, but it will make it possible for them to get help to you, and they will be able to hear what's happening in the background. They may ask you yes or no questions, which are easier to answer with a whisper or pushing a key to make a beep noise on your phone. If you don't press 55, your call will be ended. This is to rule out accidental and hoax calls to the 999 service. If you're dialing from a landline phone and you don't speak or answer questions, the operator can only hear background noise. They'll transfer your call to the police. If you replace the handset, the landline may remain connected for 45 seconds in case you pick it up again. Calling 999 from a landline automatically gives the police information about your location.